Hey guys, welcome to my another new video. In this video today I am going to show you how to download and install Eclipse software in any Windows operating system. So let's get started. To install the Eclipse software, first we need to download the Oracle Java exe file and then we can install the Eclipse software. So for that, open any browser. I am using Chrome browser. You can use any other browsers also. Go to search bar and search as Oracle Java and press enter key, then you will get the official first website. Click on the first link. You will get an interface like this. Here in the top right side you will get an option as download now. Click on that, then you will get the interface like this. Here just scroll down and you will get three options: Linux, Mac OS and Windows. You can select from here based on your computer operating system. I will select here Windows, and then here we will get an option as 64 installer, and with this we can get a link. Just click on that link and immediately the downloading will start. As you can see here. Here just wait for few seconds to download the file. As you can see here, the file has downloaded completely. Now to open the file, double click on it and minimize the window. Here just wait for few seconds. Then you will get the interface like this. Here you can see that it is showing the pop-up message as Java Oracle. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 19. That means we are going to install the Java SE Development Kit 19. Click on next. This is the installation path. You can change the path from here. I will keep it as default. Just click on next. Here just wait for few seconds. Now as you can see here, it is showing the pop-up message as Java SE Development Kit 19, which is 64-bit. Successfully installed. That means Java SE Development Kit 19 is successfully installed in my system. So here I will just close the pop-up window. Now the next step is to copy the installation path of this Java Oracle. Open the C drive and go to program files. Here you will get a file folder as Java. Just open this. Then you will get a file as JDK19. Open this file. Now you will get a file folder as bin. Just open this bin folder. Now in the top of the screen, just click on that path file. Here you will get the Java JDK19 file path. Just copy this file path and minimize the window. Now go to start window and search here for environment variables. Then you will get a control panel as edit the system environment variables. Just open this. Then you will get a pop-up message like this. Here you will get an option as environment variables. Click on that. Then you will get one more pop-up message like this. Here you can see that system variables are there. Here under variable you will get an option as path. Just click on that path. Then you will get one more pop-up message. As you can see in the screen, here you will get an option as new. Just click on that new. Then you will get a new line to paste the copy path. Just right click on that new line and you will get the option as paste. Click on paste. Then your copied path will paste here, which path you have copied from the Java bin file. As you can also see here the path. Now click on OK. Again click on OK. One more time click on OK. Then you will come back to your home page. Again go for start window and search here for CMD, which is command. And here you will get an option as open. Click here to open the command window. As you can see here, command window has opened. Now just type here as Java space, then hyphen, again one more hyphen, then version. Then press on enter key. Here it is showing Java 19. That means we successfully installed the latest version of Java. So I'll close the command window. Now let us see how to download and install the Eclipse current version. For that, go to the browser and type Eclipse download and press enter. Then the official website will visible first. Eclipse.org. Click on it and you will get the interface like this. Here just scroll down. Here you can see it's showing that get Eclipse IDE 2022-09, and under that there is a download button. Click on that. Then you will get the interface like this. Here again you will get a download button. Just click on it. Then you will get the interface like this. And also you can see here that the downloading has started. So here just wait for few seconds to complete the download process. As you can see here, it's completely downloaded. Now to open this, double click on it and minimize the window. Just wait here for few seconds, you will get the interface like this. Here you can see the different types of programming languages. You can select anyone as your requirement. I will select the first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. After selecting the first one, you will get the interface like this. Here in the first line, you can see the path of Java JDK, which you have installed before. And in the second line you can see the installation folder of Eclipse installer. You can change the installation folder from here. I will keep it as default. Now here you don't need to do anything, just click on that install button. After click on install button you will get the software user agreement. You can read the agreement. After reading the agreement, just click on accept now. Now as you can see here, it is installing. Here you have to wait for few seconds for installation. So let's wait for few seconds. After completing the installation process, you will get the interface like this. Here you will get a button as launch. Just click on that launch button. Then you will get a pop-up message box like this. Here you can see the workspace, means whatever works you will do in the Eclipse IDE, it will store in this location. You can change the location from here. I will keep it as default. So that I will just click on that checkbox and I will click on launch. Now here you have to wait for few seconds for starting Eclipse IDE. After starting the Eclipse, you will get the interface like this. Here you can see, welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. This is the first interface as you can see in the screen. So here I will just maximize the screen. Here I am going to do a new project. So for that I will go for file. Here we will get an option as new. Just click on that new. Then you will get the different options. Select Java project from here. Then you will get a pop-up message box like this. Create a Java project. Here you have to give the project name. I will give the project name as BDR. Then here you have to select the second option, which is use a project specific JRE. I will just select this one. Then here you don't need to do anything. Just go forward. Here in project layout you will get two options. If you select the first one, which is use project folder as root for sources and class files, then it will use the project folder as root folder for source and class files. But if you select the second one, which is create separate folders for source and class files, then it will create the separate folders for sources and for classes. So you can select anyone as your requirement. And then here in module, it will be select by default. Just unselect this create module info Java file. Now click on next. Then you will get the interface like this. Here you don't need to do anything, just click on finish. Then you will get the interface like this. Here in the left top side, you can see the package explorer. As I gave the project name as BDR, I can see the name here. So just select this and right click, then you will get the different options. From here you just select new. Then you will get more different options. From here you just select class. Then you will get a pop-up message like this. Here you have to give the class name. So I will just give the name as demo. Here you just select the first one and third one. Then you just click on finish. Then you will get the interface like this. Here as you can see, the class name as demo.java, package name is BDR, public class demo, then public static void main string. Here I will just show you a demo project. So for that, first I will remove this text. Here in this program I am just going to display a message, that's all. So for that I will just type here system.out.println, then I will start the bracket, then double quote, and within the double quote I will write whatever I want to display as my output. So I want to display just welcome to Java. So I will just enter here as welcome to Java. Then I will close the double quotes, then I will close the bracket, then semicolon. That's all. Now I have to save the program. To save the program, just click here. Now I have to run the program. To run the program, just click here. Now as you can see here, I got the output as welcome to Java. I have entered the message as welcome to Java for the output. As it is, I got the output as welcome to Java. That means I got the output successfully. So like this you can install Eclipse IDE for Java latest version, and also you can use this totally free of cost. So guys, that's all for today's video. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.